Time. Time is the most important resource we have. Unfortunately,
We are such pieces of shit.
it's limited. So hence you're watching this video, how to learn faster. So it's really difficult to give justice to this topic in one video, hence I'm making this whole series on this topic, which will comprise how plasticity works, how can you learn new skills, be it a physical skill like taekwondo or technical skill like editing or mathematics. So in the first part, I will clear some myths about brain plasticity and learning and what's the mental framework you need to have to learn new skills. Little disclaimer guys, this video will only help you up to 10%. Rest of the 90% is your actual efforts. So let's start with some myths. Myth number 1. As adults, you cannot learn skills. They say that your brain is plastic only when you are a child, and as you age, your plasticity reduces. Well, it's somewhat true, but not exactly. Hear me out on this. Imagine your brain when you are a child is like a window. There is no cover, anything can go in or out easily. That's why they say children learn faster.
Wow.
In scientific terms, your brain is showering acetylcholine, which is responsible for skill learning. But as you age, window starts to have some nets on it, which slows down your learning. Now nature is not helping with acetylcholine, but you have manual control to remove that net and change your brain, or in simple terms,
Wow.
learn new skills. So we can sum it down by saying that as you age, your brain plasticity turns from automatic to manual. Myth number 2. Brain challenging activities grow your brain or sharpen your brain. So you all might have heard that old advice that you have to sharpen your brain by juggling, left and righting, playing Sudoku or chess. And damn, your brain is sharper now. You can learn anything faster, except it doesn't work that way. So according to Andrew Huberman, whatever changes happen in your brain are goal driven or direction driven. So if you're thinking that your brain is like a processor which evolves as you juggle 3 balls or write with the left hand, sorry my friend, you're wrong. But these things will help you in a way, like juggling can help you in your reactions, your mental agility, but has no effect on learning technical skills like editing, maths or physics. As you learn a skill, your brain gets method in which you can go about learning new skill. So if you consistently practice any skill for that matter, guess what, that's gifting your brain amazing values like discipline and consistency, which might help you in further learning. But there's no direct correlation between these brain building activities and learning new skills. So now I will give you exact mental framework to learn new skill. So there should be some pre-practice rituals. So for opening the window of plasticity, you have to get your brain into certain state of excitement. How can you do that? You can do that by music, Wim Hof method, cold showers or anything that will make you feel an urgency, excitement or aroused in a certain way. Next is actual practice. Now how you should practice and optimize your practice in certain way that you learn faster, that will come in future videos. For that, I suggest subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment. But wait, so there is one more piece to the puzzle which will actually guarantee your changes. That is the state of restfulness, and the main source is sleep. Here is the best tip for sleep. Reduce the light exposure before you sleep. That means no laptops, no phones, no Netflix 3 hours before you sleep. It's even better if you do not be in tube lights or any harsh light. reduce overall light exposure as you are going to sleep. I have been doing this since 2 weeks now and results are just phenomenal, guys. I am able to learn skills much faster than my peer group. That's all for this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this. जाते जाते बस एक ही बात बोलते हैं यार कि काम करते रहो, फोड़ते रहो, 1% बनो क्योंकि आसान है. Thank you so much.
Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?